Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a virus and threat protection missing from Windows security. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. On left side you just need to right click on the Windows Defender and select delete option. Select yes. After deleting the Windows Defender, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type gpedit. Comes up edit group policy, click on open it. In here, you just need to expand the administrative templates under computer configuration. Expand the Windows components and you just need to find Microsoft Defender Antivirus. On right side, turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus, double click on it. Set this value to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, on left side scroll down and find Windows Security. Select the Windows Security, just expand that and after that select Virus and Threat Protection. On right side, double click on the hide the virus and threat protection area and set this to not configured and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Check my video description for this command. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, just to close stuff here and now open up Windows Security and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.